And so as we allow our eyes to close, allowing that beautiful music, recognizing the presence of love as all there is, to carry us inside, to that place where there is only love. We breathe deep into our heart center, recognizing the omnipresence of Spirit, the chair beneath us, spiritual substance made manifest, the air we breathe, spiritual substance sustaining our bodies, the bodies we inhabit, spiritual substance expressing as us. One presence, one power, one God, one good. And so we breathe in that good, allowing the breath to come in and go out, all on its own. No need to control it. We can simply observe and turn deeper within. And as our focus shifts, we may find some peace playing around in there, looking for our attention. And so we allow our attention to focus on that peace. As we do so, it expands. That peace grows, becomes more palpable. Every inhale, growing it, expanding it. Every exhale, we relax back into that peace more and more. And take a moment, fully supported in that peace, to commune with the silence within. Falling back into the peace. Falling back into the stillness. And as we breathe into this stillness, we allow our attention to shift to our heart center and find there a brilliant spark of white light. The Christ light that is our true nature, there awaiting our attention. And as we focus on that spark, we allow it to expand into an orb of light that fully encompasses our heart center. Feeling into this light, we can feel its warmth, its energy, its caring, the safety, the security of this light. We breathe into it and allow it to expand once more. This orb growing ever bigger to encompass our entire bodies, filling every atom of every cell of this body, radiating and vibrating with life and wholeness. Breathing in the light. As we all are light workers, ones who recognize the Christ light within us, it is within our power and authority and our right to work this light. And so we now allow that light to extend into a column of brilliant light, seeing the base of that column anchored deep into the earth, and the top of that column expanding out into the cosmos beyond our wildest imaginings, going on into eternity, this brilliant column of white light. We feel a gentle upward pull of the energy of this light. And we release into this light anything we are ready to let go of. Any doubts, fears, worries, concerns, any beliefs that no longer serve us, we simply allow that gentle upward pull to release those beliefs and begin to carry them up into the light, seeing them dissolve as they are lifted. Knowing that this light is a beacon of love, is a beacon of peace and truth, that it is anchored here for all to see, for any who are seeking a new thought, a new way of being, a new understanding of themselves as the divine presence. This light draws them here to this community where they may be served and where we may be served by their presence. Knowing that this light guarantees the highest good of all concerned, we can now, through our consciousness, plant these light columns anywhere we see fit. If there's anyone you know of who needs a little extra blessing today, envision a column of light planted with them. Any place in the world you feel needs a little extra light, envision a column of light planted there, knowing that this light brings forward the highest good of all concerned. A column of light surrounding Reverend Erin. And take a moment now to plant these columns of light, this Christ light, this perfect light of living love wherever you perceive it is needed. It is good and very good. For thousands and thousands of years, people have been doing this or a similar practice, planting light all over the globe. We recognize this light as the true nature of each and every one of us, as the true nature of this planet, as the true nature of every person, and know that through this light, there is only harmony, and there is only love. And with another deep breath, we shift our attention back to our heart center. Seeing that spark where we began is still there and not diminished at all for all the light we have shared, but rather is brighter, more vibrant than it ever has been. For as we give of this light, so we receive. Taking another deep breath, we allow our attention to come back into our body. Begin wiggling your fingers and wiggling your toes, shifting in the seat that has comforted you this entire time, providing perfect support. And then allowing our eyes to open, to take a moment to find ourselves truly present back in the room for the blessing that we are about to receive. Thank you, Spirit, for this time of working the light and of the silence. And so it is, and so we are.